Part 3. Part 3. We're on at chapter 29. Still at the 20 now. Then Jacob went on his journey and came to the land of the people that is, and moved before the trees of the land of the wind, and they watered the flock. They gave the water of the flocks of the and the flocks that and they rolled the stone from the west mountain and water street, and put the stones against the top of the walls and upon his mountainous place. And Jacob said unto him, My brother, which in Benjamin, and said, O Father, are we? And he said to him, No, yet, Laban and Nahor, they said, We know him. And they said unto him, Is he well? And he said to him, He is well. Behold, the children of the brother came to the sheep. In the sheep. He said, Remove the door, and the sheep got to get the water of the sheep, and go to the feast. And they said, We cannot empty the flocks gathered together, and they take the road the fields we are not, and then we water the sheep. And what he spake over them, right shepherd the father's sheep, for they feed them. And it came to pass to right shepherd the mother at the sheep of the song of his mother. And Jacob, I can't see this. Is spelled Tissd. Rachel lifted his voice and word. And Jacob told Rachel he was another, and the word answered and he cast his mother. So this woman told him, and then embraced his mother, and said, He has hustled the Lord of all creation. And Laban said to him, Show them our brother. We're almost close to church from the news. And Laban said to Jacob, because of the blood of the brother, show his faithfulness and save him God. Then when he reached the sea, and Laban had 2 daughters, the name of the and the name of him was Rachel, and Leah was then the uneyed. But Rachel was beautiful and well-favored, and Jacob loved Rachel and younger daughter. And Laban said, It is better than before because should give her the name and be grateful. We're now chapter 29, 28. No, 20. And Jacob served 7 years for Rachel. Oh my God. Rachel's the heart. It's not the following character. Pretty hard. Where are we again? Jacob loved his wife who days of birth period of Jacob, and Laban gathered all the men of the place and their priests. And it became possible even that he let them gather about him and went to the church. Verse chapter 29 or 24. We're almost here. You can see it. This time. And Laban gave it to his brother because of the hearts of him, and because of the morning behold, it was Leah there. In the morning behold, Leah was to Laban because his spouse died to her, and did not say to Rachel, but then Jacob did edge make sure that his was awesome. And Laban gave him that of his and handled the Word Genesis 39 plus 39 and 30. Jacob should the nature of the Bible. Upon my affliction, now was in the last by me love. And convinced again, son, because to me, give way to the heart of God. Therefore, even the son also. Wait! Before I was finish of God, started this son and gave him the use of the son. These sons of the men of the regions of the second half of the voice of the Lord, the Lord of the we're now chapter 30. Chapter 30 on Genesis 29 and 30. Okay, guys. We're gonna start now. And when Rachel was being Jacob, no shade Rachel in his season, give her the shaking of Jacob, and Jacob was being Rachel. Today on the wood, and before me the way to her, and six shall be and she gave and Rachel said that it was so was my son before and then Rachel into the day to the second son. We're on chapter 30.8. And Rachel said was married his sister, and then the brother his college is near planted, and then he said and the second son, and Lee said, happy I am, and the daughters will call me blessed. And she called Asher. Oh, this is my country, by the way. This means also my country. What is it? And even in the days read harvest of the harvest and the sun mandrakes. The shepherd was small mother was to take her husband, and when the song she taken away the sun mandrakes. And when the pastor Rachel before she saw lying before the sun mandrakes. We're ending this chapter. We're gonna make the next part in one second.